Hi, Scott Solkoff, again with more news you can use from Delray Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to introduce you to my partner, Michelle Hollister, whom most of you already know, to talk about guardianship issues that are happening on a national level. We currently have legislation pending before Congress on guardianship issues, and there's a renewed summit on guardianship issues that's also just taken place. And so today's talk will be about these new efficiencies and hopefully fixing some of these problems that have been thorn in the sides of elder law attorneys for so long. So, Michelle?
Thank you, Scott. Usually, guardianship is on the national radar when the perception is that it's not working, that the system isn't working so well. Now, guardianship is on the national radar because the advocates and the guardians and the attorneys want it to be. In late September, the Court Oversight Committee of the Senate Judiciary Committee requested testimony from various advocates regarding potential legislation that would implement pilot projects across the United States to begin guardianship monitoring programs. I had the privilege of testifying to the committee regarding the policies and procedures we implemented here in Florida. For example, Florida was one of the first states to require the passage of a national exam for its professional guardians. For more information on this important piece of legislation, I urge folks that are interested to visit the Senate Judiciary website. In October, the third National Guardianship Summit, the Standards of Excellence, took place at the University of Utah College of Law in Salt Lake City. The summit addressed numerous issues of importance to guardianship in the area of guardianship. For example, the idea to a shift of person-centered planning. What is person-centered planning? Well, in many states across the country, full guardianship is the only option available to the courts in our statutory scheme. Basically, it's all or nothing. And for those of us that work in this area or have loved ones or clients that may need guardianship, we know that it's not always appropriate for an all-or-nothing approach. So one of the recommendations that's coming out of the summit is the idea for courts to start being able to consider limited forms of guardianship. The hope is that the recommendations that come out of the summit will spur a new framework to the guardianship policies and procedures across the United States.
Right, good, good. And so really what this means is that more efficiencies, more economies, better ways to represent our clients, even those that are moving from state to state. So for more information on this, go to guardianshipsummit.org for more information about the summit itself.
Correct.
And we also have articles on solkoff.com and more videos for news you can use, made mainly for attorneys, but for the public as well, though don't try this at home. So thank you very much, folks.
Thank you.